live now. You are now being recorded.
And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 352 Mike Echo, we're 10 to the northeast, and we'll be inbound. We'll be straight in, runway 21, hard surface, Galesburg.
4 Stearman is going to take position and hold on 21 hard surface.
Got her lined up pretty good here.
21 Galesburg.
We're going to go straight in as long as we don't cut anybody off, you know.
Galesburg traffic, Mirage, 5 to Deltas overhead, N39 left, downwind runway 21.
Couldn't be left downwind unless you're on the grassy.
The one guy called the left, down left.
For grass.
Yeah.
That's an AT6. Is that his? Texan?
Oh, could be.
That's his?
He's definitely got one. I'm going to scooch this camera over just for fun.
There you go.
They need to practice. They look lousy this morning.
Galesburg traffic, AT6 on final runway.
Huh.
Now we got the corner of the compass, but that's okay.
Mirage.
Oh, look at that. How beautiful a picture is this?
Downwind runway 21. Stop 284, stop 284. T6 on final.
With the regional
4's off.
going to enter downwind for
Galesburg traffic, all yellow Navy Stearman, departing 21 pavement. Is anyone else in the pattern for this one?
And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo, we're on a 7-mile final hard surface, runway 21, Galesburg.
And 52 Delta, Mirage is turning a left base for runway 21.
So confusing.
It's a cluster.
Well, we can always, I'll see what's going on. We can always do the right pattern.
Oh,
traffic. This is Skyhawk 5724 Romeo, 10 miles out into the east, inbound runway 31.
oh, there's one going in. See him?
Final 21.
Yeah, we got 2 GoPros filming. The GoPro 8's on the dash, and it's recording us. And the GoPro 7's on the wing strut. We're hoping to get some Stearman footage.
And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 352 Mike Echo, for 5-mile final, 2,000 feet, runway 21, hard surface, Galesburg. Guess we could have landed it on the grass. I just kind of like a hard runway, I guess.
I'm with you. I like the hard. No special reason, just because it's closer to where we park.
No shit.
It's kind of cool lake here. I can't see it from there, but you'll definitely see it from the wing.
Galesburg flight of 2 Navy Stearman departing 21 hard surface. We have a flight of 4 in space.
Galesburg traffic, Navy 404 is 2 mile 45 for the left downwind and 2 on grass, Galesburg.
And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo, for a 3-mile final, runway 21, hard surface, Galesburg.
Hopefully they get them Stearmans moving.
Sounds to me like they like that grass runway.
Well, there's one that's not moving yet. He's at the threshold.
I see him over here. That the one you're talking about? There's two.
I thought he was on the hard surface.
Oh, it looks like there's two of them.
I see the one on the grass. Yep, I got him.
And there are 2 of them. See another one there? Right behind you.
Uh-huh. Okay, there goes the one taking off finally.
Burlington traffic, November 7,
Look at this fucker.
No swearing on YouTube.
Oh, sorry.
We got to beep you out.
18 right pattern.
And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo is short final, runway 21, Galesburg.
And Malibu, 52 Delta's on a downwind, runway 21, Galesburg.
Look at all the airplanes.
Well, fuck, Kelly, they're all using, thank God.
Doug Windsor 170 online.
This is fucking awesome.
Oh, man. This is cool because the wing camera is going to be beautiful. Look at all them airplanes.
I'm using foul language left and right.
Oh, that's okay. We'll beep you out.
Your mom's going to get mad at me.
Oh, look at this. Howdy, Stearmans. Make room for Kelly and Mark.
Cherokee, downwind for runway 21, about 3 miles out.
There we go.
Galesburg, Navy 404, long final for 2-1. Got the Malibu on final.
Oh, you made me proud. That was a good one.
I'm glad we
That was a good one.
Galesburg.
That was a good one. Yeah, go ahead and hit her brakes if you get off on B. There's Stearman.
Final, runway 21, Galesburg. 3 green.
Sweet.
404, short final for the grass, has the Malibu in sight.
Galesburg traffic, this is Cherokee. I'm downwind for runway 21.
And Galesburg traffic, 52 Mike Echoes, clear of all runways at Bravo to the ramp, Galesburg. Park our ass
What's
clear out
coming
here.
in? What? He's pointing us in the grass. Turkey.
Oh, he's going to park us right there.
Galesburg traffic, red, yellow, right, Stearman, over the rail yards on a 45, left downwind 2-1.
And Galesburg, flight of 2 Stearmans is departing 21 grass. American 47.
Oh, you fucker.
Okay.